one day, I got a sales letter from Nightingale Conant. You're probably familiar with that company, a lot of motivational sales stuff. And it was all about something called magnetic marketing. And I read the sales letter, and it was one of those times I didn't have any money, didn't have any cases. This thing comes in. It was, I think, a $300 product from some guy I didn't know who he was, Dan Kennedy. And so I took the leap of faith and didn't let my wife see it. And I ordered this $300 product. And you can't, she's gonna be here tonight. You can't tell her, like, some of these stories I tell you. She didn't watch the DVDs. Brian ain't gonna tell her, okay? And the box comes, and I open it, and it's kind of all this photocopied stuff, and it's got like $19.99 on it. I said, what the heck is this? I mean, this is a piece of crap. It's got a guarantee. I'm gonna send it back. It sits on my chair for a couple of days, but in there were some audio tapes. You remember audio tapes, right? And I had a car that you could put audio tape in. So I put the audio tapes in. I started listening to Dan Kennedy, and somehow I got it. I understood about that much of what he was saying, but I knew that if I could unlock the lock in my business about what Dan was saying, about how to flip the whole thing so that people are searching you out and forming a line outside your door and saying, Ben, thank you for taking my case. If I could unlock that lock, that would be tremendously beneficial to me. So I went on eBay and typed in Dan Kennedy, and some guy was selling his whole stuff, $300, another $300, okay? And I get these two big boxes of original Dan Kennedy, Jeff Paul, all sorts of stuff. Again, I'm looking at it, and I'm even recognizing the words in 20%. They're talking about JVs and affiliates, and I don't get it. But I pour through it, and to me, it was like hitting the mother lode. I had found the thing that I really didn't even know I was looking for, but it resonated with me. And so slowly I began to implement Dan Kennedy's ideas in my practice.